Welcome back. We've got the management of Zensar with us this morning, and Navneet Khandelwal, the CFO, joining us on some acquisition news and the M3bi buyout. That's a $33 million buyout that they've undertaken. Pardon me, Navneet. Thanks so much for joining us. Let's dive right into this then. Talk to us about the acquisition. It's a US and India-based data engineering firm. Big data, advanced analytics, digital engineering, looking into all of those segments. What's the rationale? What's this going to mean for Zensar going forward?
Actually, this M3bi has been a company which has working in digital engineering, data engineering, analytics space. This is clearly one of the strategic growth opportunities that Zensar has identified. They also come with a very good marquee client base of 3 Fortune 500 companies amongst them, which we believe will help us create more revenues by mining into these customers, as well as we will be able to take these skill sets into other Zensar clients. So all in all, we are looking at it that this would create significant business potential for Zensar, as well as value which we'll be able to create for our shareholders.
Okay, so what will be the total cost then, and the way that you're looking to fund the acquisition as well?
Sure. This acquisition is priced at a total value of $33 million US, out of which $24 million will be paid upfront, whereas $9 million are going to be paid over a 3-year period based on performance-based targets. So we closed 31st March with a net cash position of about $166.3 million. So we will be able to fund the entire acquisition through our internal accruals that we have.
Mr. Khandelwal, what has been the kind of revenues from M3bi in the last 2 years, and what kind of revenue and profits can you see from here? When will they start actually reflecting on your financials?
So this deal should get consummated during the current quarter, and so we should start seeing revenues flowing in from Q1 based on when we actually conclude the closing conditions on it. In terms of revenue for calendar year 2020, M3bi reported a revenue of $26.75 million. They are in the space which is really growing fast, and they are mining very well into the existing client base that they have. So we are confident that with the leverage that we can drive from this and the capabilities that we get, we should be able to get an accelerated growth in this area in the coming year.
Now, most of the IT players have guided for double-digit growth in FY22. There's a strong deal pipeline to support it as well. Do you think we can expect strong double-digit growth from Zensar going forward?
Sure. The deal pipeline continues to be strong for Zensar. In terms of guidance, we don't give an outward guidance. However, as we have called out in our earnings call also, which happened a couple of weeks back, we have put in place a strategy which focuses on areas of growth for us. We have identified 5 key strategic growth areas, and we are enabling a structure which will help us accelerate growth. Our focus is going to be ensuring that we create a sustainable, predictable, and a profitable growth. And as we have called out, it should take us anywhere between 4 to 8 quarters to be able to achieve what we have laid down as a part of strategy.
Okay, fair enough. Now, you've had quite a few acquisitions in the past as well. What's the kind of M&A that we can expect going forward now, and the kind of nature of acquisitions that you're looking at? What's the larger strategy?
So Zensar has been an acquisitive company in the past as well. However, our acquisitions are typically tuck-in acquisitions aligned with the strategy. Like I called out, we have identified the 5 strategic growth areas. They are experience services, advanced engineering services, advanced analytics, AI ML, core application services, and foundation services. So we are doubling down in these areas based on wherever we believe that there are white spaces where we need to plug capabilities in these areas. In line with the vertical focus that we have, we will be looking at opportunities to buy any of the companies that we look for, which aligns with this. So that's going to be the integrated part of how we look forward on this.